Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is xy plus z is equal to 40, xz plus y is equal to 51, x plus y plus z is equal to 19, to find the value of x and y and z. In the first step, we start by letting this as equation 1, this as equation 2, and this as equation 3. So, in next step, we add equation 1 and 2 together, so it will be in here for this side we have xy plus z and plus xz plus y, xz plus y is equals to 40 plus 51, it will be 91. And in here we have x plus y plus z is equals to 19. And it will be in here xy plus xz, these two part, x is common, so from these two parts we factor x, and it will be in here we have y, and plus in here we have z, and in here we take these two parts together, so it will be y plus z is equals to 91, right? 91. And in here we take this x to this side, and it will be y plus z is equals to 19 minus x, right? So in next step, in here y plus z is common, so you factor y plus z, and it will be here we factor y plus z, and this divided by y plus z is x, and this divided by y plus z, it will be 1 is equals to 91. And here we have y plus z is equals to 19 minus x, right? So in here we have y plus z, and y plus z from this equation is 19 minus x. So we substitute this in this equation, and it will be y plus z is equals to 19 minus x times x plus 1 is equals to 91. So it will be 19 times x, it will be 90x, 19 times 1 it will be 19, and plus negative x times x, it will be negative x squared, and negative x times 1, it will be negative x is equals to 91. And in next step, we take this to this side, and it will be negative x squared to this side, it will be positive x squared. In here we have 19x minus x, it will be 18x, and 18x to this side, it will be negative 18x. And in here we have 19, and to this side it will be negative 19, and 91 minus 19, it will be 72 is equals to 0. In here we have quadratic equation, and we use quadratic formula, which is x is equals to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, which is a is coefficient of x squared is 1, and b is coefficient of x is negative 18, and c is constant is 72. So in next step, x is equals to negative b, negative 18, it will be positive 18 plus or minus square root of b squared, it will be negative 18 squared, and this is equal to 324, and minus 4ac. 4 times a is 4, and times 72, it will be 288, and over 2a is 2. And here it will be 18 plus or minus square root of 324 minus 288, it will be 36 and over 2. So, the square root of 36 is 6, right? And in here we have two answers for x. X is equals to 18 plus 6, it will be 24, and over 2 it will be 12, and x1, and x2 is 18 minus 6, it will be 12, and over 2 it will be 6, right? So in next step we want to find the value of y and z. So if x1 is 12, in here we use equation 1 and equation 3. So from equation 1, xy plus z is equal to 40. We write in here. From equation 1, xy, so x is 12, so it will be 12y plus z is equals to 40. And from equation 3, in here, if we take this x to this side, it will be, right in here, y plus z is equals to 19 minus x, right? So, from this equation, y plus z is equals to 19 minus x. So we write in here, y plus z is equals to 19 minus x, and x is 12, so 19 minus 12, it will be 7, right? So, from these two equations, we subtract these two equations, and it will be 12y minus y and plus z minus z, it will be 0, right? Z minus z is 0, and 40 minus 7, it will be 33. So this is equals to 0, and 12y minus y, it will be 11y is equals to 33, and y is equals to, we divide both of this equation by 11, and it will be 3. So y is 3, and from this equation, y plus z is 7. So 3 plus z is 7, and z is 7 minus 3, it will be 4. So our first answer for x1, and we can write this as y1 and z1, right? x1 and y1 and z1 is equals to, x1 is 12, 12 and 3 and 4, right? So this is our first answer. And in next step, we find the value of x and y for, we find the value of y and z for x2. So we write x2 is equals to 6, and in here, from equation 1, xy plus z is 40. So xy, x is 6, so 6y plus z is equals to 40. And in here, from this equation, y plus z is equals to 19 minus x. So we write y plus z is equals to 19 minus x, and x is 6, so 19 minus 6, it will be 13. And next step, we subtract these two equations, and it will be 6y minus y, it will be 5y, and z minus z, it will be 0, is equals to 40 minus 13, it will be 27, right? And in here, we divide both of this equation by 5, so y is equals to 27 over 5. So, in here, we substitute in this equation. So in here we have y plus z, so 27 over 5 plus z is equals to 13. And we take this to this side, so it will be z is equals to 13 minus 27 over 5. And from these two numbers, we take common denominator, so our common denominator is 5. So 5, in here we have 13 over 1, right? So this denominator multiplied by 5, so we multiply this numerator by 5. So it will be 65 minus 27, and this is equals to 38 over 5. So you find the value of z. So we write this as y2 and z2, right? So our second answer for x2 and y2 and z2 is equals to x2 is 6, y2 is 27 over 5, and z2 is 38 over 5, right? And this is our second answer. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.